Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 13th to 17th April 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.34% negative move, 47.49.12 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a medium body and a small lower wick and a medium upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around oversold area, which is around 1216 level. So here stochastic RSI is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So yeah, this is a one-day chart currently. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here, as I have given, important support and resistance zones are already marked during a previous week analysis. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. Let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here 47.49.12 is the closing. Here the direct support is 4700, direct resistance is 4750. After direct support, there is a support of 4650 and then 4600. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 4800 and then 4835. So these are two important support zones and resistance zones which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared prop firm links even as well as the discount coupons which will help you to take maximum discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So do use those coupons as well. Also, if you think these rules are very strict, then you can also use the live broker, which is the GTC FX. Link is given in the description where you can open your account from there. Also, if you want to join my premium membership, which is absolutely free, just you have to message or WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. I will guide you how to join my premium membership for absolutely free. So if you are interested, then do contact me on my WhatsApp number. Also, now let's talk about my opinion in gold USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive momentum in this range, that is 4750 to 4800. I'm expecting a positive closing. Slight gap of opening on Monday. We will see a good positive momentum, but we need a 4-hour one-day candle closing as well above 4750. Then we'll go for a long till 4800. But if there is a gap down or a flat opening below 4749 or around 4749, then we'll wait for a down or short or a long. Any trade which we are taking, we should wait for any confirmation of the candle with a 4-hour one-day closing. But if you're going for any short trade, only go for a short trade once 4700 gets breached and a 4-hour one-day candle gets closed below this. Then you can go for a short till 4650. Even you can go till 4600 as well. Overall, my expectations a bit positive in this range, but we'll wait for a confirmation and accordingly trade. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.